Hello Vineyard families, this is Mrs. E. I wanted to give you an idea of what I wanted for your geography homework. Our goal for the year is for all the students to know all the countries of the world. That is going to take daily practice. I will have a homework sheet that you can record this. I haven't handed it out yet, but I will tomorrow. You can reference this video throughout the year. The same things should apply. One of your options that you can do is an online quiz. So this is from Lizard Point. I'm still trying to figure out what the good websites are, and you can help me find those. So here it's asking for where Paraguay is. I would click on it. That's Colombia, so if I get it wrong, I'll keep clicking around until I find it. If I do not get that correctly, it will highlight where it is, and I do want you to note where the correct location of the countries is. At the end of doing a quiz, you will need to write down your score. This is just to show me that you're doing it. I'm not expecting that you get it all correct. Here's another example. This is looking for where countries in Europe are. So I could see this country is France, and I can click different countries. And again, I will want to know your answer at the end. Jetpunk is another good website. If you have an app on your phone, that would also be acceptable for this type of assignment. Another option is to look at a country. Here's the Middle East, which the 7th and 8th graders are focused on right now. You would notice this is Turkey right here, so you would write down Turkey, and you would need to fill in all these different lines so that you know all the Middle Eastern countries. A third option would be to find a map of the continent that I'm focused on, and you would put a piece of paper over it and you would trace it. So if this is my pencil, I wouldn't need an exact outline. I would just want a rough estimate of what it would look like, and then fill in Brazil, Bolivia, Peru for all the countries. So it would just be tracing a map. And finally, if you would like, you could sketch your own map. So if I was, let's see if I can get this to work. So I would just take a blank piece of paper and I would sketch out a continent, write down again all the names of the countries instead of tracing, just writing it down. I don't want you to take too long for this, hopefully a maximum of about 10 minutes a day. This will be the worksheet that I will hand out, and it'll be due every week. Sometimes I will let you have freedom as to what continent you will do. Other times on RenWeb I will specify the continent that you will need to focus on. Sometimes I'll specify the type of practice I would like you to do. Other times it'll be your choice. So here you would write down continent. For right now the 7th and 8th graders would write Middle East. They could write down online quiz, and then they would also write down their score and then give any feedback. I really like this website didn't work for me, things like that. And we will be growing and changing as the year goes on. I just want you to practice all the countries of the world on a regular basis. Thank you.